Alright, this is the first start of the air compressor. Alright. Are you gonna do it just a quick like on off?
I'm just gonna flip it on for hope the best. And if it
But
flips on, I'll turn it off.
But it's gonna vent air forever.
Did you take off the plastic tape on the side? So we don't
Oh, for the air filter?
Tape? Yeah.
Yeah, it's off.
Alright, you ready?
I guess.
Oh, is
the switch isn't on. Oh shit.
Turn the switch on.
Alright, that's off, right?
Yeah, it's off.
Alright, hold on. We're both like, what?
You ready?
Let me get behind this big beam.
Ready?
Yeah, go. Oh, it works, dude! It's pumping air. Cap this off right here.
And then it just goes to the tank, right?
Yeah, it goes in the tank. It's coming out here.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, wow, it's great. Oh, shit, dude, it fucking works. Hasn't blown up yet. Oh!
Wow.
There it is.
That's actually really quiet too.
Dude, that's awesome.
Once you cover it up, that hole, that's quiet, isn't it?
Yeah, that's not that bad. Wow. Damn, dude, that's it, Dan. It fucking works. Son of a bitch. Alright.
I sort of guessed on the wiring too.
This is D. Harry and D. Walsh out.
That compressor has such a weird sound too.